Toyota's latest generation audio multimedia platform includes a huge list of great entertainment, convenience, and connectivity features. Key among these is Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from the iPhone. Additionally, Android Auto makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices. This new platform supports wireless CarPlay. During the Bluetooth pairing process, simply select Yes on the prompt to activate the service. If No is selected, the device will function as a standard hands-free device, and the service will need to be activated through the Settings section. To do this, select Bluetooth and Devices, then choose the device from the list. Now simply toggle on Use for Apple CarPlay. Like before, drivers can also choose to connect through a wired USB cable. Simply plug in and accept the prompts that appear on both vehicle display and mobile device. And when doing so, the iPhone will also ask if drivers would prefer to activate wireless CarPlay for next time. Connecting to Android Auto follows nearly the same process, including both wired and wireless connectivity. But of course, the settings toggle will be labeled Use for Android Auto instead. Whether wired or wireless, these services will now automatically launch when the device is connected. Once active, it's easy to switch between the default multimedia experience and CarPlay. Just select the icon in the upper left of any screen to jump to CarPlay. This shortcut can also be found in the phone and music sections when these services are active. To return, just select the Toyota icon from the service's home screen. While using CarPlay, system audio and notifications will still work, and the same applies the other way around as well. This makes it easy to enjoy features like navigation handoff, which prompts drivers to return to CarPlay if either of them has active navigation guidance underway. As expected, switching back and forth with Android Auto works the same way, including the notification feature. And that's a quick look at the seamless integration between Toyota's latest audio multimedia platform and mobile devices. CarPlay makes it easier than ever for iPhone users to stay connected. Android Auto keeps Android functionality just a tap away. To learn more, visit toyota.com/audio multimedia.